On the weekly chart here, we're looking at Palantir. We ended the day 156. We are up and down around $1 here. Pretty weird volatility in here. You had that big kind of move in here midday, then that big pullback, and then a little bit of recovery, while the overall market's just kind of shot straight up to all-time highs again. So where does that kind of put us for Palantir? Well, basically, we're going to make it easy in here. Since we're trading at that 156, we're going to be looking at 160 and then 150. That's going to be our levels we're looking at. Previous resistance in here has been that psych level 160, and then this lower trend line is matching up nicely down here with our 150. So that's why we're coming up with those two nice whole numbers going forward. Now, anything below 150, you're going to be looking down here right around that 140 range. Then you're looking at 125. Anything above that 160, really just kind of nice whole numbers, 170, 175, 180, until you get up here to this 185, 186 area. Now, as far as our implied volatility, obviously a little bit got sucked out today. Overall, or basically really nothing changed in here, right? So you had a little bit come in, a little bit get taken back out. So your IV rank is still relatively low compared to itself, especially with the market at all-time highs. You're going to get a little bit of reduction in your overall volatility, but you have a IV rank in here sitting at 12, right around a $3 expected move by tomorrow's expiration, $8 by next week. September monthlies right around $12 priced in. So we're going to see what happens in here. At $3 expected move would put us right up against this resistance that we just mentioned, which would be that 160. So we're going to see if we can recover even more so into that area. Depends on what the overall market goes, how we're going to trade. Are we going to trade inversely with the markets or what? Or are we going to kind of do that weird thing that we did today where we kind of just did our own thing in here? That is going to be the question. But 160, 150, that's what we're looking at in here. Overall, $3 expected move by tomorrow's expiration. We'll see what happens in here going forward. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.